In this video, I will show you how to upload a PDF file in Mailchimp in a simple and easy way. This is very useful if you want to share downloadable guides, coupons, documents, or any other PDF file with your subscribers. First, log in to your Mailchimp account using your email and password. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click on the Content section, which may appear as Content Studio depending on your Mailchimp version. This area is where Mailchimp stores your uploaded files, images, and other media. Next, look for the Upload button, usually located at the top right side of the page. Click on it and choose the PDF file you want to upload from your computer. After selecting the file, wait a few moments while Mailchimp uploads it to your content library. Once the upload is complete, your PDF will appear in the library. Click on the uploaded PDF and you will see a file URL or link on the right side panel. Copy this link because you will use it to share the PDF with your audience. Now open your email campaign or landing page in Mailchimp and choose where you want subscribers to access the PDF. You can add the link to a button, text, or image. Simply paste the copied URL into the link field. This allows your subscribers to click and instantly open or download the PDF file. And that's all you need to do. Uploading PDFs in Mailchimp is quick, simple, and a great way to share useful content with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more easy tutorials and helpful guides.